In this video, I will solve your doubts on how to use lime green Curse Battlegrounds and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of using lime green. You might have watched some videos some months ago of people using lime green in Curse Battlegrounds. Now, the way they do it is they type out a certain chant in chat. So as you can see, this is the exact chant that you have to type. It is quite long, so it goes pitch seen through the night, inner spirit, and so on. Something that you would also need would be Private Server Plus. However, if you bought Private Server Plus recently, or if you were to buy it and type out this chant in chat, immediately after using your holo technique and so on, nothing would happen. So as of today, did they change this? Is there an additional step, or did they remove this altogether? Well, sadly, for whatever reason, the devs actually removed lime green from Curse Battlegrounds, which means that even if you go through all of the requirements, so you purchase Private Server Plus, you type out the chant in chat, and you try to use the moves in order, nothing will happen. They removed it altogether, and this has been months ago, and they still haven't added it back. So as it stands today, it is impossible to use this holo technique, lime green, which is quite unfortunate. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that even though lime green was included in Curse Battlegrounds, the devs remove it for seemingly no reason. So you cannot type out the chant, you cannot get Private Server Plus to do it, and unless the developers add it back, you will not be able to use lime green in Curse Battlegrounds. You have to use any of the other available holo techniques because lime green is not going to be available, at least for a while, unless they update the game and bring it back in the future with the same or a different chant. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to use lime green on Curse Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.